This is not really a conference. I think of it as the unconference. This is not going to be a stuffed shirt conference. This is going to be a conference of creatives. This is people who are looking to the future. So this is people who are going to come together and have dialogue, and something's going to spark their thought. If you want to meet the most interesting, business-oriented, leading-edge, new thinkers in this country, you need to come to Alberta and you need to come to Calgary. It's going to be a must-go-to event for those who want to see real things happen. Would you imagine that we have people working on quantum computing and quantum communication? Would you imagine we have one of the top 3 centers of artificial intelligence and for machine learning, #2 in North America? Would they understand that we're one of the top researchers in hemp in all of North America? We're going to do things in a manner that have not been done in this province. And more importantly, we're going to do them on a world stage. So while this year is the first year, and we already know we have global speakers coming in, this is just the start. It's what we make of this ourselves. When we have so many opportunities to interact with all these different types of people, that's when it sparks new ideas, new creative thoughts that can turn into reality. So you're going to have people there looking to see what's the latest trends in innovation and technology, and how can they adopt or buy or enhance for their own systems. And for those who come in to visit with us here in Calgary, I hope you'll stay on. I hope you'll come to Edmonton. I hope you'll go to Banff. I hope that along with the deep opportunities and the businesses you'll see, you'll have fun. If you want to see the forefront of what's coming, if you want to be there to take advantage in business of making profits out of new innovations and new technologies, if you want to find the cool people that will make things happen, be at INVENTURE.